Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the glow effect on CapCut PC, so let's get started. So here we are, and this glow effect is mainly used for anime videos like this one right here because it adds so much effect and it's so much more interesting to watch with this effect right here, especially when you're posting this on social media like Reels, YouTube Shorts, and so on. This will make your video 10 times better. But you can also use this in some videos that is not animated. I think this would also look cool. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna duplicate our clip. So hold your Alt key and drag your clip, and just like this one. And for the top clip, we're gonna set the blend mode for that for color dodge. And as you can see, it's already much brighter, but it is too bright. So we're gonna scale it down right here, just enough, just a little bit. So maybe 12 is enough right there. And then from here, we're gonna go into effects next. And from here, we're gonna go for edge glow. So we're gonna go for right here. I think it's right here, right here. So under trending, you can see the edge glow, and then you can put it in your timeline just like this one. You can expand, right, just like that. And from here, you can adjust the glow depending on what you want. It is too bright, you can do it like this, right there. So when you play it, it's now like this one. As you can see, it's so much more interesting, I think, yeah. And you can also go for, you can make this darker if you want to. And as you can see, this is how it would look like. Like you can also adjust the brightness on the base clip. You can make it more darker so that it would emphasize the glow more. Just like that. You can make the shadow darker so that it would emphasize the glow. And then you can go do it like this, illumination. Maybe you can adjust this right here. And then this is how it would look like without the glow. And this is with the glow right here. I can go for this one right here. This one. So this is without the glow. This is with the glow. And I think it's so much better with this one. You can just sharpen it. You can do everything right here. The brightness and so on right there. Maybe we can just glow it more so that it would be like this. As you can see, it would be like this now. Yeah, that is basically how you can use CapCut PC glow effect